Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Our today's video is about affiliate marketing. That how to do affiliate marketing in 2022. So first of all, open Google Chrome, then type here how to do affiliate marketing. In 2022. Search it. Here are some steps. So open it. How to start affiliate marketing in 2022. 7 simple steps. So thousands of independent creators, entrepreneurs, and online publications use affiliate marketing to drive millions in revenue every single month. So, in fact, most beginners who try affiliate marketing fail to see the financial results they were promised by countless blogs and videos on the internet. Read toward common mistakes that hold beginners back, plus the most important affiliate marketing tips to help you become successful sooner. Here is our guide to start affiliate marketing the right way. Research your niche, choose the right platform, pick profitable affiliate programs, create optimized affiliate content, drive traffic to your affiliate site, build a simple affiliate marketing funnel, track and increase your affiliate sales. But first, a few affiliate marketing fundamentals you need to know. What is affiliate marketing? So, affiliate marketing is a business model where brands share revenue with publishers and content creators in exchange for leads and sales. It works similarly to a salesperson being paid a commission for a successful sale. So, there is no single profile for a successful affiliate marketer. They range from independent entrepreneurs to teams at well-known news outlets and online publications. What is an affiliate link? The main way affiliate marketing works is through affiliate links. Affiliate links are trackable links with a unique URL assigned specifically to you. They help advertisers know that you send them a specific customer so they can pay you a commission if that customer makes a purchase. Here is an example of the structure of a typical affiliate link. The anatomy of an affiliate link. Here is the anatomy.